how are you all getting ready for Children's Day celebration? And if you are a student of 8th to 12th, any class, even primary classes, and looking for a good speech on this occasion, remembering, commemorating Chacha Nehru, here is a speech by our student Chander Prakash coming where you can follow. Thank you. Enjoy this speech.
To the respected principals, sir, teachers, and all my dear friends, my name is Chander Prakash and I am here to deliver a speech on Children's Day. First of all, I would like to thank my class teacher for giving me an opportunity to speak on this special day. So, Children's Day is celebrated on 14 November every year in India, and it is the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who was the first Prime Minister of our independent India, and he was a great leader. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru loved children very much, and he was fondly called Chacha Nehru. Because of his love for children, his birthday is celebrated as Children's Day. And Children's Day is a very happy day for all children, and it is also known as Bal Divas. On this day, many educational and motivational programs are held across India. Once Pandit Nehru said that the children of today will be the India of tomorrow, and the way that bring them up will determine the future of country. In Children's Day is succeed when our country will be free.